binayaran po ako ni Senrisa Ontiveros para mag-testify laban kay PRRD, VP Sara at kay Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy.
The man just broke his silence, claiming he was paid by Risa Hontiveros to falsely testify against the Dutertes and Quiboloy.
Ako po yung witness na nakatakip yung muka, pero ngayon hindi na sapagkat nagsasabi na ako ng totoo. Sa Glory Mountain po, pag dumadating po si Kibuloy, sakay ng chopper, may dala po siyang mga malalaking bag. Laman po ay mga iba't ibang uri ng baril. Minsan po pumupunta din po doon si former President Rodrigo Duterte at former Mayor, Davao Mayor Sara Duterte. At pag umaalis na po sila doon, dala na po nila yung mga bag. Lahat ng sinabi ko at makasama ko doon ay ginawa lamang ni Senrisa upang papagsakin si Pastor at ang buong kingdom at kunin ang kanilang mga ari-arian. Ngayon po ay hinahanap at pinatakot ako ni Senrisa.
But honestly, I'm not even surprised. This isn't the first time her name's been dragged into something like this. Back in 2017, Risa was accused of kidnapping minors.
Dinamando namin si Risa dahil nanunuhol siya ng mga witnesses para mag-testify falsely. Yan ang history ni Risa Ontiveros. Baka hindi ninyo alam. Nandiyan ang kaso sa Ombudsman.
Kasama rin sa reklamo ang obstruction of justice. Bukod pa rito ang kidnapping dahil sa hindi pagbabalik sa mga magulang ng isang minor de edad na witness. At umano'y paghikayat dito na huwag nang umuwi sa kanilang pamilya.
Yung kapatid mismo nung sinuhulan niya, umamin, binigyan siya ng chief of staff ni Risa. O mas bastos yun.
She wasn't convicted, yeah, but the fact that the father was furious and demanding his kid back, that already says a lot. And we're not even done yet. Remember alias Bikoy? The guy who accused the Duterte family of drug links in 2019. He surrendered to the police and admitted that the people behind it were Sonny Trillanes, Risa Hontiveros, and members of the Liberal Party.
Sabi niya, sa halagang 500,000, ginamit umano siya ng Liberal Party para siraan ang administrasyon sa nagdaang halalan. Partikular niyang ginuso sina Senador Antonio Trillanes, Risa Ontiveros.
Dahil kapag napabagsak si Presidente Duterte, ang uupo, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Leni Robredo, a certain congressman or senator to be the Vice President, and Sonny will be the line to become the Vice President.
I don't know about you, but as a Gen Z, I'll never fall for yellow lies. Whether it's wrapped in pink or polished with fake hope. Sorry, Pinks, but changing colors won't bleach your past.